Today we're going to look at the Guluman portable jump starter. We will take a look at the items that you will find in this portable jump starter, and we'll also take a look at how you go about using this jump starter to start your car. The thing that I really like about this Guluman portable jump starter is that it's very small. The package or the carrying case is only about 9.5 inches long, and the width is about 7 inches, and then it's only about 2.5 inches in the width. So it is very small. You can put it under your seat, in your trunk, and it's not going to take up a lot of space. Now when you open up your Guluman portable jump starter, this is what you'll see. You're going to have several different items. You'll have the cables that you're going to hook up to the battery. You're going to have a USB, which can help you to keep your portable system charged. You're going to have the adapter that attaches to the cables, and then you're going to have a lighter charger. And then you have a cigarette lighter adapter. You will then have the AC adapter, which is located right here. You can see you can plug this into an outlet and keep your system charged. They recommend that if you don't use it, you should charge it or recharge it every 3 months. Of course, if you do use it, then you'll want to charge it. And then you have the main unit, which is this piece right here. There you have the main unit. And then, of course, there will be a instruction manual that you can use to make sure you do everything correctly. In order to charge the unit, you'll just insert this AC adapter into this DC unit, just right there. Just go ahead and insert that, and then you'll just go ahead and plug this into your outlet. Once you plug the unit in, you'll notice the movement on the light for the battery charging, and they say it takes around 5 hours to fully charge it. So we'll take a look at that and see how fast we can charge it. On the initial charge, it read that it was fully charged after a little bit over an hour, but I think we'll just go ahead and leave this on most of the day to make sure it gets its full initial charge.